We are going to learn how to write equations from a graph today. We're going to start with just a couple of review questions. First of all, what is the general equation of a line? Yep, y equals mx plus b. And what does the m represent? Slope. And how do I find slope? Yep, rise over run. And what does, in the equation y equals mx plus b, what does the b represent? Yep, your y-intercept. And how do I find the y-intercept? Yep, it's where the line crosses the y-axis. So in this case, your y-intercept would be 3. So again, we're going to use the slope y-intercept to write the equation of a line. So with this one, first step is to find the slope. So I'm going to look over here and just do my slope of rise over run. So in this case, it would be 1 over 3. So I'm going to start writing y equals, so let's turn this into a formula. So 1/3 x, and then find my y-intercept, and it would just be here where it crosses the y-axis at 3. So 1/3 x plus 3. So let's try some other ones. Try this one. So this would be y equals 1/2 x plus 2. I found the 1/2 was my slope. Here's my rise over run, and the 2 was my y-intercept. Let's try another one. I put the dot in the wrong spot on this one, so let's go down and put a dot here. Now you can try this one. So for this one, remember with my slope, I'm going down first, so it would be -1 over 2, and then that y-intercept is just 2 because that's where it crosses the y-axis. So let's try another one. This one would be y equals 4x minus 2. Again, looking at the slope, there's my rise over my run, and then the y-axis is -2, or the y-intercept is -2. Let's try another one. Let's make this so you can see it. There we go. This one would be y equals 3/4 x minus 4. So let's try another one. This one was y equals 3/4 x plus 4. It was pretty much the same graph, just moved up. Notice with this one, we went down first, so my slope should have been negative. So -3/4 x plus 4. This one was also going down first, so y equals -3/2 x plus 4. Notice this one, I don't have the dots. That's sort of where we need to start working on ones that don't have the dots on them already. So try adding in your own dots and finding the equation. So I put my 2 dots here and here. Again, slope was -3 over 2 over here, x, and then my y-intercept was 3. This one was y equals 3/2 x plus 1. I apologize for the very crooked line here. So this one would be up 5 over 1. So my equation is y equals 5x minus 3. Again, whenever we start in a negative, you can just write that as -3 or minus whatever that number is. This one was y equals -4x plus 2. This one would be y equals -2x plus 0, or just y equals -2x, because you don't need to write the negative or the plus 0. And this one was y equals -1/2 x. Nice job.